It is Saturday morning, and I was supposed to go to the gym. I couldn't find my gym card, but I found it, so I don't have an excuse not to go. So I'm looking for an excuse not to go. Say hello, people. Hello, people of the world. She's like magic. First you over there. Now you're right here. Don't at me.
You ever get that contract thing sorted out or no?
Working on it. Working on it. Hello. So you know how earlier I was looking for an excuse to not go to the gym?
Turns out
I found
sleeping
it.
was it.
I found it. Because sleeping through going to the gym apparently is a good excuse to not go to the gym. So now Dan and I are at the grocery store buying fruit. Well, apparently we're passing the fruit section.
No, I'm buying pizza and fruit. So.
Dan's buying pizza. I'm buying bananas.
Want to feel my melons?
Here you go, guys.
A joke.
Touch his melons. Touch his melons. Bananas. I'm still Jenny from the block. Haven't heard this song in forever. Love this grocery store. And now he's also buying candy. I'm not judging. I'm pointing out your unhealthy lifestyle in comparison to my bananas.
Hey, I have melons.
You have melons. So do I. So do I.
But melons I can.
Yeah. Woo. So, nature walks. Hello. So yeah, it is perfect. It is perfect outside. Normally, I can't just go on crazy nature walks with my dogs. Because of their breed. You know, it's too hot, they die. If it's too cold, they die. But perfect outside today. Just chilly enough to need some long sleeves. Just warm enough to not need a sweater or a jacket. It's perfect outside for them. So we are going on a nice walk today. Just the three of us. No boys allowed. Just us ladies. Right? What are you doing down there? Yeah, we're gonna get our walk on in this beautiful forest. Yep. Where's your sister? There she is. She's on her way. Come on. The people are coming. Rose, come on. Hello. Hi. People always stop and they're like, oh my god, I want to touch it. We are taking a break on this nature walk because they're panting like crazy. Now Erica's just sitting. Look, it's a fox. It's a wild fox! Oh my god! I can't pee on my purse. Just don't do it. I brought the purse for their leashes Okay, and their doggy bags. And this. Don't judge me. Alright, let's keep going. Come on. Nature walk, part 2. So we are officially leaving the nature trail. And it's a steep ass hill to get out of here. My God. Why? Why, God, why? I'm on my way. You can do it, girls. I believe in you. Yeah. They did it. Because they be tough bitches. So yeah, nature trail. That was fun. So, last week of classes. And holy shit, it is busy. Yep, I have my last class on Friday. It's now Saturday. And I have like 5 major assignments due still. So yeah, things are absolutely insane. So for like this entire semester, I've been prioritizing things like my live stream and that sort of stuff. And now that it's crunch time, I'm like, so that's why I haven't been streaming this week. I haven't streamed this week at all, which was unintentional, but things have just been way too busy. Barely had time to make this part of this video, which is why I'm in a bathtub. I locked myself in the bathroom. Yeah. After next week, shit's gonna probably go back to normal. So my live stream will be back to my normal schedule. In fact, my streaming schedule will probably go up because I have more time than I've had for the rest of the semester, so that's pretty awesome. So I just want to talk a little bit about why I'm doing a vlog in the first place. So one of the biggest requests that I have gotten when live streaming is to make YouTube videos. I was like, wow, I don't really have anything unique to say in the sense of making just like random videos. So I figured, what's more unique than my life? You know, no one has the same shit going on. So I figured vlogs. That way you guys can be informed and up to date about what's going on with the stream and that sort of stuff. But I'm not opposed to doing YouTube videos. So if you guys watch my vlogs and there's a type of video or a topic that you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comments section, and I will do that. So yeah, awesome. That is my reasoning for vlog things. Yes. La 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 la. What's up? So it's like, I don't know, 7:15 or something, and taking the girls out for a little walksy. So now we're just chilling in a field near the apartment where I live. Nice little open space. There they are. Hi girls. Hello. Yeah. So I take them out here on most days and just walk around while they do their business. Give them a little walk. Nothing major. I ruined my dinner. I ate Skittles. Lots of Skittles. My life has been ruined as soon as I found out I could eat Skittles with my celiac disease. Oh, Skittles all in my mouth. I love them. That and fucking Swedish berries. Oh my god. So when I had the flu last week, I found out that I could eat Swedish berries. So with the flu, I made the trek to the store and I bought some Swedish berries and I fucking ate half a bag because it was the first time I had eaten Swedish berries in a really long time because I didn't know I could, and then I threw it all up because I had the flu because I'm an idiot. But yeah, I don't have the flu anymore and I found out I could eat Skittles, so just Skittles. Hi, chicken. Say hi to the people, chicken. Say hello. Can you say hi? Say hi, my name is Erica. Hello, everybody. Hi there. Who's my girl? Who's all of my girls? Hi. Hello. Oh, oh, you guys are cute. That's your bum. You put your bum on camera. She put her bum on camera. Hi, everybody. Hi. Oh, scratchy, scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy. Hello, I'm so pretty. What's up? This is my tree. This is my leaning tree. This is where I lean. I lean. Okay, I'm done. I'm ready. Come on, let's go make a bacon and egg sandwich for dinner. Come on. They're not ready. They're just like, screw you, Ma. Screw you. I'm fine with it. Like I said, I didn't go to the gym today. And I celebrated that by eating almost an entire bag of Skittles. Because I'm disgusting. Shenaniganizers. Doo-doo-boo-doo. Do-do-do-do-do. Aww. I hate it when people come to these places, these beautiful fields that people like me with dogs get to take advantage of because we don't have to go very far. We get to let our dogs off with our leashes. I'm not the only one in my building who comes here. And then people ruin it with garbage. With fucking garbage over in the corner over there. There's a goddamn KFC container and shit. Dude, or people who come to these parks don't clean up their dog shit. Like, dude, next time you're going grocery shopping, just pick up some fucking dog bags. You know, they're cheap. Next time you go to the fucking pet store to pick up their food, get some fucking dog bags. Clean up your dog's shit, okay? Not to mention, this field is right beside a park. Like a fenced-in park, because there's a daycare close by, and the people take the kids here. And it's like, fucking, there's an LCBO bag in a hole here. Clean up after yourselves. Don't be disgusting. God damn it. Sorry. There's a little bit of a rant. But it drives me nuts. Because I take good care of my dogs, and I clean up after my dogs, and then I get a bad rap with people in the neighborhood because of all of the other people who don't clean up after their fucking dogs. I think everyone who owns dogs is disgusting and doesn't clean up after themselves. The light is beautiful. I'm gonna have to stop right now and take a selfie. Okay, so I took a selfie. I'm done. I'm done. Sorry. Look at that. Look at that beautiful gluten-free bacon and egg fucking sandwich. This is delicious.
I imagine it is. Does that do the same thing with wraps every morning? Yeah, that is my brother.
Your brother seems like a sweetheart.
He is. He's much better of a dude. I like to have experience.
He's better what?
I said he's the much better of the two, and I say that with experience.
He's a better brother?
Well, no, like, better person.
So also better brother
Yeah.
by default.
Yeah.
Dan's a horrible person. I have to edit that out of my video. Holy damn! You guys aren't gonna get to see what he said because I have to edit that out. But it was racist. Let's just leave it at that. Dan likes to pretend he's a racist. He's not really a racist.
Pretend. Pretend!
Pretend he's a racist.
The rope says otherwise.
Okay, bye, Dan. I'm gonna go now. Bye. The last thing that I'm gonna talk about today is my my song of the day and my obsession. Yeah. So my song for today is Marvin Gaye by Charlie Puth. I don't know what it is about this damn song. I love the song so much. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't listened to the song without watching the video. It's sort of like a combination love, like the song with the video, and it's not all of the crazy making out and shit that they do in the video. It's Meghan Trainor's ass. I watched that video and she just does this like pose thing, and her butt looks fantastic. Her butt looks amazing, and yeah, I just can't get over this song, but I'm not sure what it is, the song or Meghan Trainor's butt. So I'll internally digest this information and hopefully I'll be able to process my feelings. My obsession for today is my new sweater. Oh yeah, is my new sweater. I can't get enough of this sweater. I love it. I think it's amazing. Yeah, I can't stop wearing it. I feel disgusting just wearing it nonstop. Really need to just take it off and stop wearing it. Anyway, those are my obsessions for this week. My music obsession and just my physical material obsession. That would be them. Yay! Okay, I'm done now.